So we were just talking about compile time polymorphism. And compile time polymorphism is where it is defined at compile time, and that's when it takes effect. And so we did that by creating multiple methods. So one method, or well, you would have two methods, each with different parameter list. And when you access the same method name, it would determine which one to actually run. So now let's look at runtime polymorphism. And this is handled using virtual, or the virtual keyword. So let's go ahead and go back to our pet class. And inside of here, I'm just going to go ahead and create a private string name. And I'm going to create a public name. Return this dot name. And oh, actually, sorry. I need to say public string name. Return this dot name. And set is going to be this dot name is equal to value. All right. And so now let's go ahead and create a method in here. Public void speak. And this will just console.writeLine. And we'll just say pet goes bark meow. Because I don't know what type of pet it will be. Is it going to be a dog? Is it going to be a cat? But we still want to have this method available so that since all of the pets can speak, we will just have them do that. Now let's go ahead and create an inherited class, dog from pets, and going to go ahead and create that there. And let's go ahead and create a new dog. So this is going to inherit everything from pets up here, but we are not going to provide any additional functionality. So it will have access to everything from pets and nothing extra. So we'll say dog novo is equal to new dog. Notice that this is a usage here, and it's getting one usage from up there. And we could say novo.name is equal to novo if we want. And we can say novo.speak. And now it will be able to access this public method up there. So we can go ahead and run this, and pet goes bark meow. Now, I know that a dog barks. Well, most of my dogs bark, not all of them. But we want to override this class here. So if we were to go down here and we say public void speak, and we say console.writeLine bark, this will work. Now, it will work, and we will get bark out, but this is not great to do. So when we hover over speak, we'll see, go back to hover over speak, the keyword new is required on speak because it hides method void CS classes pets speak. And member speak does not access instant data and can be marked static. So this is hiding this method there. This still exists. This is kind of a layer on top of it, hiding the speak inside of pets. Now, why this is not good is if we create a novo is a pets and novo is a new dog, and we run this, we're going to get pet goes bark meow, even though novo is a dog. We're creating a pet that's just kind of grouping it into the pets area, but novo is a dog, and so when it goes in here, now it is running this one there. So even though novo is a dog, we always want it to run this here. So it does say that you can add this new keyword there, and that new keyword says, hey, this is hiding this method there, and it's going to be part of new. And so that is one way to go about it, but you still have to say this is a dog to actually use this one. Instead, we want to override this speak. We want this one to be overridden down here. So if we add override, the override keyword, it's going to say there is no suitable method for override. So in order to override this, we have to say that this is a virtual method. And notice that now we have one override. And we are overriding it down here. So now when we run this, a dog is going to bark. A pet, who is also a dog, is also going to bark. Notice that we can do pets or we can do dog there. Doesn't matter because we are creating a dog and we have an overridden method from there. And so it is going to take this since it is a dog. So when you want to override, make your methods virtual. And then when you define the method down here, you define it as an override. We can do the same thing, public class cat, pets, and we'll do public override void speak console.writeLine meow. And notice that this now says that there are two overrides, one in cat, one in dog. It's only getting used once, but that's okay. We can change this back to dog. And notice that now it's not actually getting used. But now if we create a new cat, Haynes is equal to new cat, and Haynes dot name is equal to Haynes, and Haynes dot speak. Now, when we run that, we're going to get a bark and then a meow. And again, we had to override this. We had to mark this method as virtual. And once it's virtual, it doesn't matter if these are pets or specific types. It's because we're creating a new instance of that object that pets and dog, cat will still use the correct method to print out.